In Lesson 3, we learned about a and an for one thing. But what happens when you have 2, 3, or 100 things? Today, we are learning about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. In English, we usually add a small sound to the end of a word to make it plural. Let's learn the rules.
For most words in English, the rule is very simple. Just add the letter S to the end. Listen and repeat. 1 book, 2 books. 1 car, 3 cars. 1 apple, 5 apples. Sometimes adding just an S is hard to pronounce. If a word ends in a hissing sound, like ch, sh, x, s, or z, we add es. This adds an extra syllable to the word. Listen to the difference. 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 box, 2 boxes. 1 watch, 2 watches. 1 dish, 2 dishes.
Pay attention to words ending in the letter Y. If there is a consonant before the Y, we change the Y to an I and add es. 1 baby, 2 babies. 1 city, 2 cities. 1 party, 2 parties. Wait, if there is a vowel A, E, I, O, U before the Y, just add S. 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 day, 2 days.
Some words are rebels. They don't follow the S rule at all. You must memorize these. Here are the most common ones. 1 man, 2 men, not mans. 1 woman, 2 women. 1 child, 2 children. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 1 person, 2 people. Remember, most words add S. Hissing sounds add ES. Consonant plus Y change to IES. Irregulars, memorize them.
Let's see if you remember. I will give you the singular. You say the plural. You have 3 seconds. Number 1. 1 cat. The answer is 2 cats. Number 2. 1 glass. The answer is 2 glasses, because it ends in S. Number 3. 1 family. The answer is 2 families. Change the Y to IES. Number 4. 1 child. The answer is 2 children. An irregular rebel.
Fantastic work today! Now you can talk about groups of things and people. Choose one word from this lesson and write its plural form in the comments. For example, 1 phone, 2 phones. I'll check your spelling. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. In Lesson 5, we will learn about possessive adjectives, how to say my, your, his, and her. See you in the next lesson.